Welcome! In this video, we will access materials in courses with requirements, prerequisites, and mastery paths. We will view modules with requirements, prerequisites, and mastery paths, complete module requirements, and view locked modules. First, we will view modules with requirements, prerequisites, and mastery paths. Instructors may limit how students access materials using requirements and prerequisites. Another way they may do this is by adding mastery paths. To access course modules, select the Modules link from the course navigation menu. Requirements are tasks that you must finish in order to complete a module. All of the modules in this example have the requirement to complete all items. Module 2 and Module 3 also have prerequisites that are locked until the prerequisites are completed. A student cannot access Module 2 before finishing its prerequisite, Module 1. A student cannot access Module 3 before completing its prerequisite, Module 2. I am able to see a list of tasks for Module 2 and 3, but the links are gray to show that they are not active. Instructors can also control how students access materials by using mastery paths. In a mastery path, there is an original assignment. In this example, Module 4 Review Quiz. Subsequent materials will not become available until after the quiz is completed, and the other materials may differ depending on this quiz's score. We can see that there are materials that are locked that will become available after the review quiz is graded. Next, complete module requirements. To move through an available module, select the first material that has an active black link, in this case, a page. In this example, I need to mark the page as done, but sometimes pages will only have a next button. After I mark this page as done, a green box will appear. Continue through the modules by selecting Next. Complete assignments, discussions, or quizzes in the module. For example, to complete a discussion, I will need to make a reply. To complete a quiz or an assignment, I will usually need to make a submission. All of the tasks in Module 1 have now been completed, so the modules and tasks have green check marks. Module 2 is available, the lock has disappeared, and the materials have active links. In the next example, I have finished Module 2 and I am ready to start Module 3. Two tasks have score requirements. I need to score at least 6 points on the Module 3 Project File Draft Assignment, and I need to score at least 3 points on the Unit 3 Vocabulary Quiz. I can go to the Module 3 Project File Draft Assignment and upload my file. But when I go back to the modules, I do not see a check mark. Hovering over the information icon shows that my submission hasn't been graded yet. Because I don't have a score of at least 6 points yet, I cannot complete the requirements for this module. Once my instructor grades the assignment, I will see a green check mark if my score is at least 6 points. I will take the Unit 3 Vocabulary Quiz. Unfortunately, this time I didn't score at least 3 points. When I go to modules, I can hover over the circle and see that I must score at least 3 points. I'll need to retake this quiz to finish the module requirements. Now I can access unlocked materials. Next, view locked modules. Students will not have full access to materials in locked modules. In this example, I can see the assignment due dates, but the links are not active. The assignments with due dates will show up on the home page in my to-do list, even though they are in a locked module. I can select the link for the Module 3 discussion and see the directions for the discussion, but I will not see a reply button until I complete the prerequisites for this module. You might also not be able to see the reply button if you are required to complete tasks within a module in a sequential order and you try to access the discussion before completing an earlier task. Once I complete the prerequisites, the discussion's reply button will become available. In the next example, I will view a quiz that is in a locked module. I get a message letting me know that the quiz is part of a locked module, and below that, I can see the prerequisites. I will see a similar message if I try to submit an assignment that is in a locked module. I will not see an area to enter text or upload a file. Once the prerequisites have been completed, the quiz or assignment will become available and the prerequisite message will disappear. The next example shows a module that uses mastery paths. I can see the original assignment, and I know that there are more assignments that will be unlocked because I see the message, "Locked until Module 4 Review Quiz is graded." Unlike prerequisites, assignments and mastery paths do not show up in the to-do list. I will need to check the module instructions or the syllabus to confirm when I will need to complete any mastery path assignments in Module 4. After getting my grade for the Module 4 review quiz, I can see that I have a project in this module and I am able to access it. Thank you for watching this video on accessing materials with requirements, prerequisites, and mastery paths.